Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This Next.js course will guide you through how to get started with Next.js, and also in this tutorial we'll learn about the introduction and setup part of Next.js. So let's get started. I hope you have the basic knowledge of JavaScript and React. So what is Next.js? Why Next.js is so popular? Next.js is open source React framework which has a lot of several features including server-side rendering and generating static website. And also React is the JavaScript library which is used to build a web application on client side. So why we need Next.js? What kinds of problem it actually solves? Next.js has a lot of feature, total extra feature including SEO, potential issue thread, fast loading times, and a lot of things. So let's try to create Next.js app. First open the terminal. If you don't have it installed Node.js, install from here Node.js. This one from download. You can install it from this one. Okay, in the installer. So first run the command, run the npx create next if and your application name. I will type next web app. I will web app. This gonna takes a little bit time. I will skip this part. This takes a little bit time. Here we have a directory. We have to open that directory cd web app and then run the npm run dev command. This gonna run our server. Oh, we have to open this file in a VS Code. Sorry for that one. Yes, code. We have to type just code.com. This gonna start our VS Code. Here, here. This is the file, and just open the terminal. From the terminal and just run the following command, run the npx run dev. This gonna start our development server on the port 3000. Copy this url and open in browser. Here this is compiling our this app. Here we see this is the Next.js starter template. Let's try to edit this one. Open this one pages folder. This is the main folder. Let's open. Let's try to edit. I have to delete. Let's try just delete this one. Use this and just s1. What is the problem with this one? Why the extraction doesn't work? S1 and welcome to my Next.js course. Just try save. This will automatically save. This is totally fast. Next, just enable the faster server. You don't need to refresh. You can see changes. And this was for today. In the next tutorial, we will learn the Next.js routing and pages. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This was for today.